ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जयम् कल्याणाद्भुतगात्राय कामितार्थप्रदायिने श्रीवेंकटनिवासाय श्रीनिवासाय ते नमः। Namaskar and welcome back to Amara Bharata channel, where we are studying the Deepakam class 6 Samskrita textbook. In that, the next lesson, which is Madhavasya Priyam Angam, which means Madhava's favorite body part. We now look at this lesson along with an explanation in the English language. माधव नामकः एकः बालकः आसीत्. There was a boy by name Madhava. सः स्वप्ने स्वशरीरस्य अंगानि दृष्टवान्. In his dream, he saw the parts of his own body, the various parts of his own body. तानि परस्परं चर्चां कुर्वन्ति स्म. Those body parts, they were discussing amongst themselves. पादः वदति, the leg says, aham shrestha, I am great. Mama karanena madhavah chalati, because of me Madhava moves around. Next, hastaha anukshanam vadati, the very next moment, immediately the hand says what? Are are, oh, mama karanena Madhava likhati, because of me Madhava writes. Griha karyam karoti, does homework. Vastuni anayati cha, and brings objects or things. Ataha ahameva shrestha, therefore only I am only great, is what the hand says. Next, I, what does the I say? Mam vina Madhava kimapi drashtum shaknoti kim, without me will Madhava be able to see anything at all? Iti nayanam vadati, this is what the I says. The I says like this. Further, Karnaha smitam kritva kathayati, having laughed, the ear says, having smiled or having laughed. Madhavaha yada marge gacchati, when Madhava goes along the road, on the road, tada pristhataha yananam dhvanim yadi na shrunoti, if he does not hear the sound of vehicles coming behind him, savadhanah cha na bhavati, and does not become attentive, tarhi, then durghatana bhavet, then there may be an accident. If he cannot hear the sound of the horn or vehicles behind him and he does not get attentive, he may get into an accident. Madhava mama karanena eva shikshakasya upadesham shrutva, because of my reason alone, Madhava, having heard the teacher's lesson or the instructions, jnanam vardhayati, increases his knowledge. Sangeetam shrutva anandam cha anubhavati, and experiences happiness upon hearing music, upon listening to music, is what the ear says. Now, then, jhatiti mukham suchayati, immediately the mouth indicates like this. Bhoho sarve shrunvantu, oh, all of you listen. Madhavaha mama karanena bhojanam karoti, because of me, because of my reason, Madhava eats lunch. Bhashanam karoti, gives a speech, means delivers a speech. Shikshakasya prashnasya uttaram vadati, and answers the teacher's questions. Mama sahayyena udaram api bhojanam prapnoti, because of my help the stomach also gets lunch. Bhavantas sarve sabalaha bhavanti, all of you become strong. Ataha ahameva shresthaha, therefore I am only great. That's what the mouth says. Next, what happens? Udaram suchayati, the stomach indicates. Bhavatu bhavatu, may it be. Kolahalam na kurvantu, don't quarrel among yourselves. Vayam sarve madhavam eva prichhama, let us all go and ask Madhava himself Kaha Shrestha iti, about who is superior or who is great. Then what happens? Madhava vicharayati bodhayati cha. Madhava ponders and advises as मम शरीरस्य सर्वाणि अंगानि मम कृते उपकारकाणि सन्ति. All the organs of my body are indeed useful to me. Aham nayanabhyam pashyami. I see with my two eyes. Karanabhyam shrunomi. I hear with my two ears. Mukhena bhashanam karomi, bhojanam karomi cha. Make speech and eat my lunch through my mouth. Udarena pachanat shaktim prapnomi. By means of digestion through the stomach, I get strength. Padabhyam cha chalami, and move around using my two legs. Atah bhavantas sarvepi shresthaha. Therefore, all of you are great. Bhavantas sarvepi mama priyaha. All of you are indeed dear to me. Next, there are some difficult words here. Swapne means in dream. Swasharirasya is of his own body. Angani is body parts. Drishtavan is saw. Charcham is discussion. Shreshtaha is great. Anukshanam is instantly, immediately. Grihakaryam is homework. Mam Vina is without me. Next, Smitam is smiling. Shaknoti is able to. Marge is on the road. Sangeetam is music. Sahayena is with the help of. Prapnoti is gets. Sabalaha is strong. Bhavet is may happen. Kolahalam is quarrel. Vicharayati is thinks. Bodhayati is advises. Upakarakani is helpful. Shaktim is strength. Now there is a small notes part in this particular lesson where they have shown the different parts of the body. I'll just read them out loudly. Keshaha, Netram, Karnaha, Mukham, Kantaha, Bhujaha, Vakshasthalam, Udaram, Angulyaha, Lalatam, Bhruhu, Nasika, Kapolaha, Chibukam, Griva, Skandhaha, Stanaha, Kaponihi, Kurparaha, Nabhihi, Manibandhaha, Angushtaha, Hastaha. Further, Udaram Visa, Angulyaha, Katihi, Uruhu, Janu, Padaha, Angulyaha, Pashnihi, Padangushtaha, Nakhaha, Gulpaha, Jangha. Now there is a very beautiful song, Madhurashtakam composed by Sri Vallabhacharya. Let us sing this song in a melodious way. Adharam madhuram vadanam madhuram nayanam madhuram hasitam madhuram hridayam madhuram gamanam madhuram madhuradhipatir madhuram वचनं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं वलितं मधुरं चलितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम् वेणुर्मधुरो रेणुर्मधुरः पाणिर्मधुरः पादौ मधुरौ नृत्यं मधुरं सख्यं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम् गीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं सुप्तं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं करणं मधुरं तरणं मधुरं हरणं मधुरं रमणं मधुरं वमितं मधुरं शमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम् गुञ्जा मधुरा माला मधुरा यमुना मधुरा वीची मधुरा सलिलं मधुरं कमलं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम् गोपी मधुरा लीला मधुरा युक्तं मधुरं मुक्तं मधुरं दृष्टं मधुरं सृष्टं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम् गोपा मधुरा गावो मधुरा यष्टिर्मधुरा सृष्टिर्मधुरा दलितं मधुरं फलितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं मधुरं मधुरम्. This song I have sung in the tune in the movie Malaya Maruta, Kannada movie, which came around 1985 or so, and the music is composed by Vijay Bhaskar. Well, this brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video with the exercise part of the same lesson. YouTube Amara Bharata Shubham Bhoyat Mangalamastu Vande Mataram Sarvam Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.